Hotel explosion caught on camera in Zhuhai City, South China. Guangdong Province news recap for September 11, 2020. Reports by RT.com. Moment of devastating gas explosion caught on video in China. 3 people were reportedly injured in a large gas explosion outside a hotel in China's tourist hotspot of Zhuhai. Chinese media shared videos of the exact moment of the blast. The incident reportedly occurred at a small local restaurant on Friday morning. A fire broke out at the establishment, which apparently caused the gas cylinders that were used to cook food to overheat and explode. The massive blast was caught on video from several angles. People had already evacuated the building when the gas cylinders went off, but 3 gawkers who gathered to observe the blaze were injured and required hospitalization. The fire quickly spread across the building after the explosion, and 11 fire engines and 55 firefighters were called to the scene. The blaze was eventually extinguished, but it caused serious damage to surrounding shops and residential buildings. The videos show smoke coming from several retail outlets in the building, and the street outside littered with broken glass and other debris. Zhuhai in southern Guangdong province is popular with tourists due to its vicinity to Macau, which is known as China's Las Vegas. Due to cheaper prices, gamblers book hotels in the city while visiting Macau's casinos. Click the link to read the related article and watch the video coverage.